Hi, this is Kit Welchland. Today's video is on business etiquette. What is proper etiquette during a business meal? Kit, I get kind of anxious when I'm on my way to a business lunch or dinner. I want to make a good impression, of course, and meet the expectations of the client and really meet the expectations of the reason for the meeting. I worry about if I'm dressed properly. I'm concerned about what to say, what to drink, and what to eat. There are a lot of moving parts to this thing. I would recommend that you research the restaurant, the menu, and the dress code in advance. Now you'll be prepared on what to order and what to wear. Arrive 5 minutes early. Showing up slightly early is respectful to the host and their guests. If you're going to be late, be sure to call your host or the restaurant to let them know. If your host is late, wait about 15 minutes or so before checking in on them. Greet everyone with a friendly smile and a firm handshake. Make eye contact and introduce yourself to anyone you don't know. Concentrate on remembering people's names. Delay sitting down. Remain standing until your host has taken their seat. If there isn't a host, then wait for the most senior or oldest person at the table to sit first. After sitting down, make the effort to maintain good posture throughout the meal. Keep both feet on the ground. If you're dining with someone you just met, discuss lighthearted topics. Prepare a list of topics that you feel comfortable talking about. Great non-business topics are travel and sports and movies to help you avoid awkward silences. Along with making friendly conversation, don't forget why you're getting together. Keep the purpose of the lunch or dinner in mind. At some point, mention the work you do and direct the conversation toward the agenda you had in mind. It's probably best not to order alcohol at a business meeting. Instead, consider a club soda with lemon or iced tea. If your host insists that you do order a drink at dinner, then limit yourself to one drink or a glass of wine. Pay attention to how quickly your host is drinking theirs too, and drink yours more slowly than they do. When it comes to ordering meals, you should always gesture to the highest ranking woman at the table to order first and say, "Please," after you. Hopefully the server delivers everyone's meal at the same time. It's polite to wait to eat until everyone has received their meal before you start eating. Now, if your host insists that you start eating, then it's okay to take a couple of small bites until they get their meal. And if you are the host, to signify to everyone that they should start eating, say, "Please enjoy." Take small bites so that you can quickly swallow if someone asks you a question. Don't overeat or undereat. Eat at the same pace as others at the table. When you're interacting with the restaurant staff, always be courteous, using words like please and thank you throughout the meal. When signaling or calling the server for the bill, simply raise 2 fingers together, the middle and the index finger slightly above your shoulder, and make eye contact with the server and just simply say, "Check, please." If you did the inviting, you're the host and should pay the bill, regardless of gender. Although the host who invited you to dinner is obligated to take care of the check, it's still polite to make the move to pay. Express and show gratitude. Let everyone know that you enjoyed sharing a meal with them. In networking scenarios, exchange contact information and business cards. I'm going to be sure to express gratitude right away, just like this. Thank you for sharing these business etiquette ideas for dining with business associates and clients. Hey, do you want to meet for lunch tomorrow? I would like to practice before I go to lunch with someone important. Oh, that didn't sound good, did it? Sorry. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette. What is the proper etiquette during a business meal? It's always a little bit uncomfortable when we eat with our clients, so if you need some tips on how to be more effective with your dining etiquette, contact me at kit@welchland.com. I'll provide a number of strategies that will really help.